person does not have a Cadillac converter in their car. But I just left the Central Market, Mercado Central. Had some good food, decent lunch, not bad. Bought some clothes, some souvenirs. Had a nice conversation with a nice, beautiful Guatemalan woman. That was pretty funny. I didn't record it, but that was really funny. So I'm gonna go ahead and just walk around. I don't know, just take a look and see how it looks. Pretty cool. A lot of colors over here. Definitely very historic. A lot of Spanish influence, you could tell by the building. So it's pretty cool. Having a good time here. I didn't spend too much on clothes. Let's take a look. Building says República, Congreso de la República. So the Congress of the Republic. I'm not sure if they meet here, guys. You let me know. Guatemaltecos me dicen aquí juntan las personas del gobierno, porque yo no sé. There was some interesting writing on the walls I didn't want to show. I don't know if YouTube will give me a strike for talking about it, but pretty much said that the government is hypocritical and they're discriminatory to certain types of people that live here. I don't want to say it. I don't know if we'll get in trouble, but yeah. Let's take a look here. I think here in Guatemala you can legally start to work at 13 years old. So pretty much the sign said that they don't really care for the kids. The school doesn't really help them. But let's take a look at this graffiti real quick. This is pretty cool. I like looking at art. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Does anyone remember this cartoon from the 2000s? Let me know. I used to watch that show, Cartoon Network. Obviously these are not positive things right here, but people that were lost. Looks like a bookstore. Pretty cool. Graffiti all around. I was told you're not supposed to walk these streets past 6 o'clock because anything can pop off. But it's bright and early. I don't know what time it is. I got my phone in my pocket charging, but I think it's like 1:30, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, something like that. I don't know where I should go. I should go up there, or go down. Let's walk around a little bit. And we might make our way up there. Look like placeholders for cars, as you can tell. Parking is not the easiest to find around here. It reminds me of downtown LA, but probably a little bit worse. I'm gonna wait for this car to pass. I think I'm gonna go up there. If you're driving a car like that, you got cash in Guatemala. That's all I gotta say. Abogado. Got a lawyer's office right here. I think I'm gonna cross to the right and then go up. This is like a school right here. Interesting. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. Probably make my way to Zone 3. Or I might go to the mall and just walk around and record it. Show you one of the biggest malls in Guatemala. I'm not sure yet. See? You just jaywalk up in this hole. That's it. It's legal. On the way, I think I'm gonna, oh, there's a cop right there. I don't know what's gonna happen if I cross with the cops right there. I'm pretty sure they don't care though. But go ahead and cross up this road. Clínica de Medicina Natural, Isabel. I don't think I need natural medicine today, but if I do, I'll make sure I visit Isabel. There's a lot of motos, most of Central and South America. Luckily, nothing bad has happened to me, knock on wood, but I heard the most frequent robberies occur on motos. So two guys will come up on a motorcycle, one will come out with his pistol. A lot of petty theft, take your stuff and then leave, bounce. But it hasn't happened to me. Man, I kind of want to walk over there too. Damn. Go walk over there. Damn, I kind of want to walk up too though. See, I might stop recording in a little bit. We'll see. I'll stop recording for right now, and when I go up, I'll record a little bit more. Alright. We're in downtown now, Zona 1, Zone 1. And some guy just got down on the xylophone. I think they're done though. And there's people on the street that are drawing, some artists. So we'll walk around a little bit more. I don't know what I'm gonna do after, but let's take a look. These are the people drawing. That girl was fire. What's up with all these Guatemalan women being on fire, bro? Loving it. You guys noticed, but not a lot of tourists here. You don't see a lot of gringos. You don't see a lot of typical tourists. Luckily, I blend in the color of my skin pretty well in this country. But not a lot of tourists. If you notice, typically go to like La Guatitlan, Antigua. They don't really come to like the real part of the country. So, just a little observation. If you guys don't know, people from Mexico and El Salvador, here they're selling granizadas. If you've been to Mexico or live in Los Angeles, you're probably used to the name is different, raspado. And me Salvadoreños, you guys know that those are called minutas. So it's quite interesting that each country has the same type of refreshment, but it has a different name. But they all have their different style with unique flavors. I don't think I'm gonna get one today. See, deli raspado, same thing as granizada, same thing. Hawaiiana, I don't know what that is. Check this out. What's going on here? No olvidamos justicia. We won't forget justice. En memoria de 41 niñas asesinadas en el Overdurín de la Asunción, nombramos a este espacio como Plaza de las Niñas de Guatemala. 8 de marzo, no las olvidamos, fue el Estado. There's some girls that disappeared or died. It's kind of sad. Kind of stuff like this is quite common in Central and South America. Some of these girls, they look like they're selling stuff, but they might not even be 18, to be honest with you. Like I said, you can work here once you're 13. Definitely life is a lot slower in Guatemala. I would say the complete opposite of Korea, where I used to live, where everything is fast as hell. Can't go inside there. It looks like it's closed due to some activities. Definitely a lot of Spanish influence once again in this area. So this is typical of most countries in Central and South America. The Spanish influence, obviously bringing over Catholicism and converting the indigenous people to that religion. So it's quite normal. Well, if this is a church, like, man, these things are huge, man. These things are real huge. Like, man. See the flag of Guatemala on top. I don't think there's any significance. I think there's a government building in here. This is pretty cool. I'll probably make my way through a circle. And I think it's 3 o'clock or something like that. I don't know what. I might go to the biggest, well, I think one of the biggest malls in Guatemala. I could be wrong. Oakland Mall. I've been there once with my friend Abraham, and to show you how the biggest mall is contrast to downtown. It's completely different. If you go over there, it'll remind you of a industrialized city like Los Angeles, Houston, New York City, something like that. But I'll show you the complete contrast, completely different. Okay. Looks like that's a Christian church. Okay. Created in 1882. Damn, I don't know what's going on over here, but compared to the other parts of the country, I'm not gonna go into detail.